Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain about two very similar yet different commands in Linux, sudo and su. Let's get started. Sudo is acronym for super user do and su is acronym for switch user. So this gives basic idea of what these commands do. Sudo and su both commands are used to elevate the privilege assigned to the current user. But sudo command requires the password of the current user, while su command requires you to enter the password of the root user. Let me demonstrate. Let's start the terminal. You can see I'm logged in as normal user here. When you're logged in as normal user in Linux, you might need to perform some command that needs root access. In this case, sudo comes in really handy. It will let us run single command with root privilege even though you're not logged in as root. For example, let's try apt update. So here it says permission denied. It's because you are logged in as normal user and you need root access to perform apt update. Let's try sudo apt update. What it does is let us perform this command using root access. You need to enter the password for the normal user. There you go, it starts working. You see, so what happened here is you're logged in as normal user. You try performing some command that needs root access, but the permission is denied. But when you use sudo, it will ask the password of the current user, and you can perform this command using root access. And if you want to perform another command that needs root access, you need to type in sudo again. Now let's try su. So su will let us to switch the user. If we want to go back to root, type su root, then it will ask the password. You need to put the password of the root user, and there you go. Now you're back at the root. If you want to go back to the normal user, you just type su and the name of the user. So there you go, back to normal user again. Let's go back to root user and I'll show you something. So type su root and then password. Yeah, back at root. So here let's try apt update just like before, and it just works perfectly fine because you are already at the root user. So when you are at root user, you don't need to type in sudo every time you want to perform the command.